My name is Xavier Clarisse. My wife Suzanne and I started Clarisse Design 15 years ago when we moved to South Africa. At Clarisse Design, we design and manufacture theatre lighting and wearable design. I am a sculptor and a product designer, and I live for my work. My latest design is the blade light. It is inspired by the bamboo leaf. It is just beautifully designed by nature. I just had to interpret it. Each of my products, they are the result of a lot of experimentation, where I often have to come up with my own technique and my own tools. We work with a tannery about an hour away from Durban that produce vegetation leather from locally sourced hide. This is an ancient form of tanning, and it is very important from an eco-friendly perspective. The result is a leather that is biodegradable. The next step is to cut the leather. We then skive it. We then polish the edges. The leather then goes through various shapers and mold to create the distinctive shape of the blade light. Finally, we apply a top coat for a long-lasting finish. The dyes and the finishing product we use, they are all water-based and non-toxic. The next step is to make and polish the metal closure. This can be made in brass or in stainless steel. We work the fitting to take the shape of a bamboo leaf. The final step is to assemble the lampshade . I surround myself with my inspirations, as I believe all the answers to my questions are in front of me. I just have to educate myself to see them. From start to finish, it takes about a week to produce a blade light. The process of molding and dyeing is lengthy, and so is the drying time. I feel that my products are the result of a lot of experimentation and self-teaching. But what I did take away from my education is the importance of creative thinking and innovation.